Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is dialogue writing. Look at the board, student. Our today's topic is dialogue writing and our lecture number is 15 and homework number is 13. Again I am repeating, topic dialogue writing, lecture number 15 and homework number 13. Let's start our today's topic, dialogue writing. Question: a dialogue between Karim and Rohim about village life and city life. Karim: hi Rohim, how are you? Rohim: fine, thanks, and you? Karim: I am fine too. What about your city life? Rohim: oh, it is really exciting. Educational institutions, medical facilities, and sources of recreation all are available at my hand. Isn't it dandy? Karim: really? Rohim: now, what about your village life? Karim: I am very happy with my village life. There is no chaos and anxiety. Besides, here the environment is free from pollution. Rohim: Rohim, you are quite right. Karim: I see you are suffering from sound pollution and air pollution severely. Rohim: you are right, but you also have problems with good schooling and medical care in the village. Karim: yes, to some extent. You are right also. I think you all should take steps to remove the disadvantages of both village and city lives. Rohim: I agree with you. Thank you very much. Karim: thank you too. So student, this is our today's topic and your homework dialogue writing about hobbies, and your lecture number 15 and homework number 13. Again I am say homework dialogue writing about hobbies and lecture number 15, homework number 13. So student, all have you understood today's topic? Do practicing and do your homework, and will do your submit homework on Sundays. See you again inshallah.